DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? I don't know what time it is. The Dan is back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang, you see what I do with all our vibe today. Today we got Shawn Storm and Lisa Hyper. Lisa Hyper just dropped a new track. The one featuring EEP. Who's that? I'm not sure who that is. Yeah, the track entitled New Money. Oh, Eastern Entertainment Promotion. Okay, all right. Yeah, Shawn Storm and Lisa Hyper, New Money, produced by Eastern Entertainment Promotion, directed by G Team. Gang, we don't have to hold up the vibes much longer. You see me, I say. Bucklat. No beast on the hey, Shawn Storm, don't play them. No bim.
Eastern Entertainment.
Now fresh out of prison. Loyalist has risen.
Urban Gorillas.
Skinny jeans, white tees in a snapback. Big black Glock, fat shot, clap that. Boy play cheat, cash pot, job flat. Knock, it a lech, nick off clap. New money, you soon done it, you too funny. Ha ha, we so bunny, me cute honey. Ha ha, she hold me cocky, she still done it. Fit out the blue money, me new shoe money. London, Hampton, Wandan, Gangland, Chi-Town, Boston, Daddy Fall, Glaston, rings from Jacob, rocks from Stockton. Rocks some Stockton, me Gucci fresh. Brand new Bima and it due for the test. Louis V shoes and it glued to the crest. Chain full of ice, so it cool for my chest. Bad gal me fuck with, no screw, nothing less. My friend them a killer and
You hear that? Yeah.
them shoot for the head. Me work for my money, I'm a proud. The setting on my car well load. My t-shirt white like cloud. And my girlfriend sexy and round. Bad man no wear makeup clown. I coulda get her straight uptown. You want hear when the Jacob sound. But
You don't want to hear when the Jacob sound, boy. Hold on, man. This is our vibe. Shawn Storm, this is our vibe, man. Hold on. You know how long me have to pull up this bomb, boy. Hold on, the dog. Shawn Storm, I like the energy we are coming on the one. I like the production we are going on the one. I like how the dog looking at the one there and the dog wipe on that. You see me, just like the vibes and energy. Like your vibes and energy is back. Like Shawn Storm is back to himself, his style. He's feeling it. He's feeling the road again. The image and everything like the dog start putting in the work. The first couple songs with dog short, it's like the dog there try to get back in and vibes. You see me, boy, look like Shawn Storm. Yeah, dog. He come like a dog. Alright, let's get it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, the silver is back.
Eastern Entertainment.
now fresh out of prison. Loyalist has risen.
Loyalist is risen. Fresh out of prison, don't play with the dog.
Jeans, white tees in a snapback. Big black Glock, fat shot, clap that.
Clap that.
Play cheat, cash pot, job flat. Knock, it a lech, nick off clap.
Knock,
New
boy.
money, you soon done.
Job hey, boy.
You too funny, ha ha. We so bunny, me cute honey, ha ha. She hold me cocky, she still done it. Fit out the blue money, me new shoe money. London, Hampton, Wandan, Gangland, Chi-Town, Boston, Daddy Fall, Glaston, rings from Jacob, rocks from Stockton.
Ring from Jacob, rocks from what? Easy now, money that saying diamonds they don't. Hey,
Rocks some Stockton, me Gucci fresh. Brand new Bima and it due for the test. Louis V shoes and it glued to the crest.
Yo, the green upon the beam and nasty, you know, man. At the new, at the F80 that, you know.
Chain full of ice, so it cool for my chest. Bad gal me fuck with, no screw, nothing less. My friend them a killer and them shoot for the head. Me work for my money, I'm a proud. The setting on my car
M4.
My t-shirt white like cloud. And my girlfriend sexy and
round. Oh, you mean talk to go on.
Bad man no wear makeup clown. I coulda get her straight uptown. You want hear when the Jacob sound. But you glad send me lockdown.
You know, Lisa Hyper, are you that? Come in, mama.
Trust get your kill, love get your hurt. This me tomorrow, then you know say you're dirt. When since being polite, me in your flirt. Haters leg off from a blood clash shirt. Yeah, I feel grateful, things could have worse. Me have life money in my purse. Thank the Father, me still there hurt. Nah second cause me know my worth.
Hey, me not lie. Lisa go on. Lisa go on. Lisa Hyper. Lisa Hyper go out with that thing for the track. We not like. Come in, run it back, Lisa Hyper. Come in.
Get your kill, love get your hurt. This me tomorrow, then you know say
Yeah,
a
dirt.
When since being polite, me and ya flirt. Haters leg off from a blood clash shirt. Yeah, I feel grateful, things could have worse.
Yeah.
Me have life money in my purse.
Yeah.
Thank the Father, me still there hurt. Nah say
What you
because
want?
me know my worth. Yeah, can't too nice people will use you. No a real
That's
time.
facts. That's facts. You can't do too nice out here. People feel like say yourself or sitting here and trying to use it.
That's why me move so. Oh, you fi choose who not choose
Yeah.
you. Girl, if you go fuck, make sure your boots up.
Yeah.
Real bad girl, clocks to my step.
If you choose who not choose you. I feel real, man. I real talk. You can't choose. Is it? I real talk.
Gaza safety, Beretta me press. No play cards, so me nah draw less. Headshot, with them I go
Work for
with
my
vest.
money, I'm a parole. The setting on me car well low. My t-shirt white like clothes. And my girlfriend sexy and roll.
Yo, that motherfucker work for your things. You see me put in work for your things and I beg nobody. You see me and say, come and you
Shot, with them I go
Work for
with
my
vest.
money, I'm a parole. The setting on me car well load. My t-shirt white like cloud. And my girlfriend sexy and round. Bad man now wear makeup clown. I coulda get her straight uptown. You want hear when the Jacob sound. But you're glad say me lockdown. Still I use US chase pound. Granny take
you're glad say that lockdown that free. What you gonna do now?
Select and get wet. In on your neck, me left when you expect.
It's sticky pon them.
It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Big up Shawn Storm and Lisa Hyper. You see me? And Eastern Entertainment Promotion. Big up yourself on the one day. You see me? Shawn Storm sound like saying back in a vibe. You see me? Shawn Storm sound like say he's feeling himself again. You see me? And he's glad. It's a good look. See why my loyalist. See why my Gaza loyalist. It's not just to cartel him loyal. He's loyal to also him fellow Gaza. I would say what? Siblings. You see me I say? Our family members. You see me? Cause I see that link up back with Lisa Hyper with people feel like Lisa Hyper carry over. But with this dog, you can say like Lisa still have a little. Yeah, I have a little thing left in her tank, man. A little gas left in her tank, bro. You see me I say? Lisa Hyper still got it as a female artist. You see me? And I feel like that is just a warm up. Lisa Hyper start drop tune now. You see me I say? Yeah man, maybe should we bring a different vibe to dance and make some of them artists have to shake up. You see me I say? But yeah man, it's a good look. I like to see Shawn Storm and Lisa Hype link up. It's a good collab. I like to see that give Lisa Hype strength again. I like to see Lisa Hype give me strength again and work off of each other. I like the visual. I like the video. I like the energy. Feel like Shawn Storm is getting back in the groove. You see me getting back to himself. You see me like that. I ain't gonna lie, that Bimmer is nasty though. The green and black Bimmer dog. Oh shit, the F80. You see me, the M4 with the F80 body style. Cause you know my one is the F30, you know. You see me, nasty bro. The crazy new kidney grills. Hey. Yeah man, Shawn Storm back at it man. Look like your dog. Finally come home and collect your funds them when you need for collect. You know, so Shawn Storm been locked up for a minute. So all I'm tuning them to rush that play, accumulate money. You see me, plus I don't know cartel and railway. So they're supposed to have, you know what I'm saying? They have tune that where they do all them money there, you know, supposed to stack up over years. You see me, I say gang. But yeah man, big up the Shawn Storm and Lisa Hyper. It's a good look. The one of them New Money gang. Go check it out if you like it. Definitely go show the artists all over so we're making outside it dancing, you know. Also drop your request. You see me, I say? Drop a request so you get your shout out, all that good stuff. And you don't know, we're back at it. We're back at it. Yeah man, we're back. Drop back to back videos and bangers. We now play with them. The next time, gang, take care of yourself and each other. You don't know. Love you guys. Out.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.